Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rock, Future Millionaire. And if you have ever wondered how you could turn a simple ebook into a steady income stream, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to dive deep into the world of Amazon Associates link promotion strategies, showing you exactly how to monetize your ebooks effectively. I'm going to cover everything from embedding Amazon affiliate links into your ebooks to tailoring your content for maximum affiliate earnings. Whether you're new at this or you're a guru, this is going to help you make more money with Amazon Associates program. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button for more content like this. Now let's get into it. We have to find a profitable niche. As we all know, unless you've been living under a rock, the top three niches or profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, I'm over in CHAT GPT, CHAT GPT 3.5. Now, it's free to sign up. If you haven't already done so, just go to openai.com and create your account. Now, I just asked the chat to give me some examples of sub niches from the top three niches, which are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, the reason why you want to pick sub niches of these top niches is because you want to become a big fish in a small pond. And this is what it gave me. Like for health, you can get a sub niche, fitness for seniors, right? Or you could do plant-based nutrition, focusing on vegan and vegetarian lifestyle. Now we're going to come back to that one. Now we can do weight loss for busy professionals, right? Do postpartum fitness for people that's just had a baby. That's niching down and reaching a specific audience, right? You don't want to be too broad. For wealth, we got real estate, investing, cryptocurrency. You heard a lot of these. Relationships, you got long distance relationships, right? Parenting, single moms, dating after divorce, interracial relationships, relationships in the digital age. That's like the apps and stuff like that, right? Now, what I'm doing for this example, I'm going to use vegan, right? And I have a story behind the reason why I'm going to do this. I have a friend that has a German Shepherd, and she was feeding her dog a vegan dog food, right? I'm like, that's interesting. I was asking her like why she chose vegan because she wasn't vegan because a lot of people want to pass that on to their dog sometimes. She said her dog has allergies, so I'm like that's very interesting. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to create an ebook and also add your links from Amazon Associates so you can make a profit through those links. Now, also, I went to Chat GPT and I said, hey, Chat, give me some interesting facts and statistics about vegan dog food that our target audience of dog lovers need to know. Provide well researched information that is relevant and engaging to this audience, right? The great thing about ChatGPT, it's a great search engine. It's hooked up to Google, so you get current, up-to-date information, right? And as you see right here, it has the nutritional adequacy studies for dogs. It's great for dogs that have like health issues, right? And also the allergy, which my friend uses for her dog, allergy and health benefits, right? It has so many great things about vegan dog food or feeding it to your pets. Now it's a growing market too as well. And so the global vegan pet food market is expanding. So that's great. So that means that it's trending. And a great way to figure out if it's still trending or if it's on the top of the list is let's go to Google and check it out. Now you just go to Google and as you see, if I put vegan dog, and guess what pops up? Vegan dog food, vegan dog treats, vegan dog recipe, vegan dog brands, right? And these two right here, the food and the brands, that's what we're going to use. As you see there, the top of the Google search engine, and also there is trending. Now, from this information that we got from ChatGPT, we're going to use all this information right here, and we're going to put this information inside of our ebook. Now, let's go over to Canva. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Rock, and welcome to my channel. And what I do is I help those that didn't have a savings plan for the future create additional income through affiliate marketing, no matter where you are in life. You don't have to have any technical skills. I help numerous other people begin their journey in affiliate marketing. In the comments, you'll find a free course to jumpstart your affiliate marketing adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and explore the course below. Let's work together to achieve financial freedom. Let's get it. Now, once you get into Canva, down the search bar, you just type in ebook, and they're going to give you plenty of ebook templates that you can use. And as you see, they got different templates you can use for your ebooks. If you don't know how to design, you just change the text out from the information that you got for CHAT GPT, or if you write it yourself. But for this example, I'm just going to create a blank one. I was having technical issues with my Canva. My data speed is like running kind of slow. So I just went on and created an ebook just for this example. And I got all these elements from on the side right here. You can upload pictures of you and your dog, or pictures of yourself, whatever you want to use. Use photos, background. And I just, you know, moved all this stuff over here. Canva is very easy. If you're not familiar with Canva, you can easily just go to one of their trainings. They got Canva 101. But one thing I want to point out is that you want to make sure that your colors pop. Like on a light background, you want to have something dark where it is easy for people to read. And you see I did that through the whole ebook. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to put your links inside of your ebooks. Now you see V-Dog Kind, Kindle Vegan Dry Dog Food. Let's go back to Chat GPT and I'll show you what I did. Now we're back in Chat GPT, and I said, hey, Chat, give me 5 trending vegan dog food products that are listed on Amazon. It gave me up-to-date information. And look, V-Dog, Kindle, Kibble, vegan dog food, dry dog food, right? And that's one of the top sellers on Amazon. Now let's go to Amazon. And all I did was copy and paste the V-Dog vegan kibble dry dog food. That's hard to say real fast. And you see, you get all these search results, and they sponsored too as well. This is awesome. So this is what we're going to use. We're going to go up here to the top left, and we're going to press Get Link, the short link. We're going to copy it, and we're going to go back to Canva. Now all we want to do is highlight the vegan dog kind kibble, and then this link going to pop up. You press the link, and in this bar right here, you're just going to paste the short link you got from Amazon. Press enter, done. And once you see that it's underlined, bam, it's right in there. Bam, it takes you straight back to Amazon. And anytime anybody buys this product from your link, you get a commission. Depending on what product it is, you get between 1 to 10%. Now, these last few steps are very important because you don't want to get banned from Amazon Associates. They will do that. In your ebook, you have to say that the products are on Amazon, that when they click the link, they're going to buy it from Amazon. You have to say that. And when you download your ebook to your computer, you have to download it as a PDF. Always make sure you download your ebook as a PDF. If you don't download it as a PDF, this link right here, it will not be clickable. So you download it to your computer. Now, this next step is very crucial because you want to comply to the Amazon operating agreements. So what we're going to do, we're going to upload it to a Google Drive, and we're going to make it public. Making it public means that you're making it accessible to anybody that's on the internet, because Amazon, they want to go in and check out if you have the link put correctly inside of your ebook. Okay, now we over in Google Drive. Now you want to go to the top left and press new. Then you go upload file, find the recent ebook you just downloaded, open it up, and you see the bottom right is uploading the ebook right here. We're just gonna wait for it to upload so I can show you guys how to do it. Now the check mark, it shows it uploaded to Google Drive. I tap on it. Now that you uploaded your ebook to Google Drive, like you see the top right hand corner, it says share. It has a lock on it right now. So that means it's private only to you. So this is not complying to the Amazon agreement or policy. So what you have to do is click on the share. You see right here where the lock is, it says restricted. Now you want to press anyone with the link. Press done. You see right now, it's share. Anyone on the internet with this link can't open. Now you got it perfect. Now it's good to go. Now you just download it. Now the one that you download, that is open to the public. Now you can share this on different platforms. And what I would do is get this ebook, right, and put it inside of a web page with funnels where you can collect emails. Now, for anybody that hasn't applied for Amazon Associates yet, or you got denied, I have a free ebook. All you have to do is go to the description, and you can get the ebook. It's free of charge to you. Peace.